Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video I will tell you how you purchase AimKing and how you will do its complete setup. First of all, you need AimKing application which you can download from my website, or if you want to purchase this from me, then I will provide this application you on WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp number on the display screen and under the description. After you installing AimKing, you need to click on the test run 8 ball pool test run. When you click on the 8 ball pool test run, click on run 8 ball pool. After that, you need to play 2 or 3 games to test the AimKing. If it's working perfectly, then you can send me F code. Under the 8 ball pool test run, copy my device info F code. You can see the option under it. Click on copy my device info F code and copy the F code and send it to me. Click on copy F code to your reseller. Copy the F code and send it to me on WhatsApp. After 10 to 20 minutes, I will activate your device and provide you a username or F login. After that, you need to click on login enter. You can see the option of login enter. Never click on direct enter, because if you click on direct enter, then you can get the option try premium. Always you need to click on login enter. After that, you can see the window username password, sign in with F login and go. If I will give you username or password, you need to enter username and password here and click on go button. You can see the go button in yellow. After that, if I will provide you F login, you need to click sign in with F login. Click on F login button and paste the F login which I will provide you on WhatsApp. After pasting F login here, you need to click on go button. After that, you can see this window. Here you can see different options. Four options autoplay. First option is autoplay option. You need to turn on this autoplay option. After that, you need to turn on accelerate record button. After that, you need to turn on global overlay draw button. If you have Facebook application, you don't need to turn on Facebook login button. If you don't have Facebook application from Play Store, you need to turn on Facebook login web method button. Then click on start game. You can see running 4 3 2 1. After that, 8 ball pool opens. You need to log in your Facebook or miniclip ID, whichever you have. Your game is open, your ID is open. After that, click on the AimKing button from the right side, and here you can see all the option. First of all, I told you what is autoplay. Autoplay means your game is play automatically. You just need to click on the table which you want to play. Your game automatically play. You don't need to touch on the screen. Under this, you can see the option manual choose pocket. Manual choose pocket mean that you can choose pocket manually. I will highly recommend you don't turn this option, because if you turn this option, in every shot you need to select the pocket and then your shot will be played. In autoplay, never choose manual pocket. After that, here is the option for fast mode and auto query mode. If you purchase the subscription of fast mode and auto query, fast mode means that your game will be played fast. Auto query means when your game is over, you will win or lose. Aim King automatically go back and choose the next table which you have select from the Aim King menu. 0 is for Berlin, 1 is for 30M, 2 is for 20M, and so on. Which option you select when your game is over, you will win or lose. Aim King go back and played the next table automatically. Your game is played automatically, your table is connected automatically. You just put your phone anywhere and do your work easily. You don't need to click on the table, or you don't need to click on the table for the next game. All of this option is done by the Aim King. Hope you guys understand. Now I will told you a tutorial how you can play the game manually and autoplay. First of all, I will told you how you can play the game manually. First of all, you need to make the shot, and then you need to play the shot. Simply manual mean that you need to play shot manually. Make the shot manually and then play the shot manually. You can see the autoplay button on top of the screen, play button. You can see play button on the top of the screen. When you turn on this play button, then Aim King automatically play the shots. In normal play, only one shot can be play automatically. One ball can be put automatically. In fast mode, all possible balls can be put automatically. In normal play, only one ball can be put automatically. Auto query, I will told you the complete auto query. Now I will turn on the option of autoplay. You can see shot is played automatically. All I will don't touch on the screen. All the shots are played automatically. Simply, this is the complete tutorial. Hope you will understand. If you want to purchase anything, just come WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.